pa na kailangan ninyong ayusin, ito, pumasikip na to. So yan, nag-additional wire pa sa left side na to ng patient. So yan, at na isa pang wire na ilustrasan ulit para makita gano'n siya kalaki at gano'n kasikip. Masikip talaga. So the same yung nakita mo kanina, dalawang balloon na sequential and then simultaneous.
Okay.
Pinapa-prepare mo na yung lesion bago yung gamitan ng gamot na yung balloon na may gamot. Tinatawag na drug-coated balloon. So, the same thing.
Alright, ayan.
Yan.
Sabay.
Kasabay. Hanggang mas adequately prepared na yung lesion to receive that balloon that has medications.
Okay.
So, i-deliver na natin yung balloon. Sila na yan. So, kaya naging 4. Kasi
Okay,
pareho
yes.
din naman tong drug-coated balloon. Isa muna, tapos yung isa, and then yung sabay. So, successful shots, pina-increase lang ulit ni sir, dinilate lang din niya.
Yes.
That's and then we'll show you the final product. May binalon na din kami dito sa side na to. And this is it.
Okay.
So yung focus mo na somewhere here, bit niya improved compared to the previous one. Other views, also this one. Better. So, without placing any metal.
Wow. Well done po. Thank you po, well done.